Yo, what's good, you guys? I want to talk about how I make roughly $1,600 a month doing DoorDash on the side.
Record, wait for the 360 countdown, and it would turn you over the screen. CNET.com for all things tech.
McDonald's. $11.50 for this order. Working at midnight. Look at the address for McDonald's. Bugging. Alright, let's go, guys. Alright, let's go. Let's watch these real quick. Alright, we out of here. See, this is why I like driving at night. It's chill. There's no traffic. You don't gotta deal with too many people, you know. Just go to the location, pick up the food, and that's it, you know. And if there's any problems, you don't gotta deal with too many cars, like I said. So I'll see you guys when we get to McDonald's. Always with McDonald's. Look at the line. It goes all the way out to the street. This is packed. Well, I'll be here for about 10-15 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys when I get to the window. I don't know what's going on down there.
Welcome to McDonald's, how can I help you?
Yeah, I'm here for DoorDash.
What's the code?
Give me 1 second. 325652.
325652?
Yeah.
Okay, second one, thank you.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. Alright, now we're just cruising. Time to deliver the food. You know, like I said, it's really chill at night, 1 a.m. Gotta be a night person though. I'm usually up at night, so it's not too much of a big deal. Like, instead of sleeping, I'm usually up making beats or, you know, doing something that I think is productive. So why not make some money? I mean, think about it. Most of these people right here are sleeping. I wonder what's going on up there. Look at all those cops. That's crazy. Dang, it's probably an accident, huh? I don't have my long lens on either, so I can't really zoom in. There's like literally 10 cops right there, dude. Fire truck, ambulance. Oh man. Oh, I gotta fix my side mirror. Alright, there we go. Yeah, you know. chilling. See, when you do this in the daytime, you gotta deal with the traffic. You gotta deal with the heat. You know what I mean? You gotta deal with actual people, even when you're delivering your food, you know? Yeah, that's another thing I wanted to talk about. Hold on. I think I gotta make a turn right here. Yeah, let's go ahead and make a turn right here. Yeah, pre-pandemic, I used to work Uber, and I didn't really make that much. I made some good money, but compared to nowadays, with all this, you gotta stay inside, and you know what I mean? Cough, cough, man. People are ordering food like they have 10 mil. You just get orders back to back to back, making like $100 a day, you know what I mean? If you really put the work in. For me, I like to work about 3 hours. 3 hours a day. Sometimes I like to get a little work mode going and work 6 hours. But I only work 3-hour increments. So that way, I really feel as if I'm working for myself, you know, compared to people working 10 hours or 6 hours. You make decent money, but then you're just tired. You're overworking yourself. So if I can get 3 hours, I make a decent amount of money, then I can have the rest of the day to myself, you know, and not feel unaccomplished. I can know that everything's getting paid, and if I want to put the extra time in to make extra, then nobody's stopping me, you know? So I definitely recommend DoorDash to anybody trying to get some extra money, dude. If you got a car, even if you don't got a car, if you got a license, you can go buy a used car for like, this car right here I'm driving, it's a Mustang 2002 V6, worth about $1,800, if that. 50, you could probably get it for $1,500 from somebody, you know. So you just gotta go out there, take a risk, get a used car, and you could easily. So I made this car back in 2 to 3 weeks. You know what I mean? My first month, I made about $1,400 to $1,500, and I was not working at all. You know, like I said, I work about 3 hours, sometimes more, sometimes less. Some days I don't work at all, which is not good. But you know, I'm doing other stuff. I'm not working. I'm just not working DoorDash. You know, so it's pretty crazy, but it's definitely interesting. A great side hustle. As a main job, it could be good, but you need a great car with no problems and good gas mileage, and then you can make really good money. But once you got a car with all these problems and you got to put 1,000 here, 1,000 there, $50 in gas every day, you know, you're just not doing yourself any favors, you know? So definitely get a good car, and man, possibilities are endless. You can make lots of money doing this. Especially if you make nothing now, it's gonna feel like a lot of money. It also depends on your situation, you know. Alright, we're now here. Let me get the food out. Leave it at the door, just drop it off. And it's as simple as that. Go ahead and confirm the delivery. Boom. confirm, and boom, you get paid. Simple as that. You gotta love it. Yeah, let me focus. Let me take it out, that'll be so much easier. Let me get some air going in here. Breathe. Alright, so what I was saying is, one thing that's important is your situation, because everybody's situation is different. So I can say I make a lot of money, but it depends on how much rent, you know. Do you have a car note? All these things matter. I mean, they make a difference in whether you're gonna actually make money or not. You know, I mean, if you have a $2,500 rent payment, and then you still have bills on top of that, plus your car note, you know, you can definitely, don't get me wrong, you can pay that, because like I said, if you work a lot, you can make a lot of money. But my goal with this is to put less wear and tear on my car, find hot hours that you make lots of money in short periods of time, and pretty much make a good amount of money and not stress myself, you know. Make it feel like I have all the time in the world and I don't have to give it up to working for somebody else, you know. I mean, I am working for somebody else, but really I'm working for myself, because as you know, DoorDash, they just take a cut. They don't actually, like, I mean, they can fire you, but it's weird how it all works, because you're an independent contractor. So, you know, I can make my own hours. I do what I want. I can cancel orders. You know, it affects your score and everything. Don't get me wrong, but you still have the obligation and the power, or not the obligation, the ability to do whatever you want. Like, I can stop. I can work for 20 minutes, work one, you know. So that's one thing I definitely love about it. But yeah, no matter what, people are always going to talk bad about it. People are going to talk good about it. It's because it's their situation. You know, if you got a good situation with something, you're most likely going to leave a better review than somebody who's had a bad situation, you know. Like, say you rent a car, the tire pops. Even if the car is amazing, you're going to have a bad experience. So you're probably going to leave a, you know, a less review, you know. So that's my little breakdown on DoorDash. This is like, I've been doing DoorDash for also about like what, 4 months, and I've already made about $3 grand. Like I said, making minimalistic. If I'm working 3 hours a week, you know, I'm working about 20 hours. I'm working legitimately 20 to 25 hours max every week, and I'm making $1,700. You know, I don't know how you can hate on that. I don't know how you wouldn't give it an opportunity. If you have the chance, if you have a car, if you can borrow your sister's car, you can borrow somebody's car, you could buy a car, save up, you can get a bike. They don't care how you deliver the food. It's just on you to get it there in a timely manner. You know what I mean? So my advice to you is definitely try it out. Don't hate on something before you try it, because like I said, it don't have to be a permanent job. It could just be something you do here and there. Like, you can make $30 an hour sometimes, you know. There's no limit to what you can and can't make. It's all up to the reality, like what's going on. Are a bunch of people ordering in that area, you know, or you know how much you're putting in gas. Everything matters. You gotta just add it up, do the quick math, and boom. But I don't want to take too much of y'all's time. I'm probably gonna show y'all my earnings right here for the past 3 months, you know, just to show y'all that I ain't capping. It ain't nothing serious, you know. You can see $300, $400, $500 weeks. It's all up to you, you know. I'm my own boss. You get to do what you want. You want to work hard, you want to work soft, you know, do what you gotta do. That's the thing I love about it, you know. You get to make your own choices. But I'm definitely gonna have the link in the description if you want to join, because that way we both get hooked up. When you do 100 deliveries, I'm gonna get paid and you gonna get paid. So you already know that's worth it. You know, I'm not doing it just for me. You gonna get paid, you know, and regardless, even if you don't choose to go through my link, you can just go through DoorDash and make money on yourself. But if you go through that link, you're gonna be helping both of us out, you know? So that'll be lit. But let me know if you do decide to do it, or if you do it and how your results went. Let me know what you guys are doing, or if you already even do DoorDash right now, how do things go for you? Do you make a lot of money? Do you make a little money? Do you work forever? Do you know what I mean? Like, what's your insight? Let me know how you guys like it. Alright, well, I'm about to go offline right now. It's been about 2 hours. I think I'm about to work 1 more hour, actually. It's been about 2 hours. You see, I was already about to go offline early. I already made about $40 in the first 2 hours. So, you see what I'm saying? $20 an hour right there. Like, I feel like a doctor, you know? No, I'm just kidding. But for real, you know, you never know. You can make lots of money, little money. It's crazy. But I'll definitely catch y'all in the next one. And we're going to talk about, you know, a lot more things, different tips and tricks that you can do to make money depending on your area, you know. Just a whole lot of things that can get you a lot more money. But regardless, I'm telling you, pick good time slots and consistency, and you're gonna make money. It's really that easy. It's your boy yerT. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.